kids! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a playground swing. Doesn't that sound fun? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, take your black marker. Let's start by drawing the swing cradle where kids sit. Now, draw 2 ropes going up from the cradle. These ropes will hold our swing nice and strong. Great job! Now, connect the ropes with a long top bar at the top. This is what holds the swing. Next, let's draw the 4 stands, 2 on each side. These stands will make the swing strong and steady. Perfect. Now, let's add some grass on the ground to make it look like a real playground. Nice job, everyone! Our playground swing drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with our marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it? Yay! Now it's time to color. Let's bring out our color pens. Today we will use rainbow colors. Red color. Wow! Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Beautiful! Our swing is full of colors. Amazing work, kids! You did a wonderful job drawing and coloring the swing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. Yay! Bye-bye. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.